Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have an unboxing and it came from a company I believe that I have worked with before. So I have opened just around the edges so that it would be easier for filming. So I'm going to put you up just a little bit higher. Oh, the bells, of course, they have to go. So let's get to it. It's boxed in a really thick box. And this box comes from the FeelookArt store. And it's even got a little bit of styrofoam here so it doesn't go bang bang through the thing. Let me get it out of this oblong box. This box is probably 1.5 feet long. Nicely boxed though. Very nice. All right. So I did get a diamond painting from them, and if they have any specials or any discounts, I'm going to put them right in here. And right now they are having a Halloween special. So right now you can get, let me see, buy 2, get 10% off. Buy 3, get 20% off. And also when you go initially to their site, you can spin a wheel, which is for Halloween now. And it goes to the 31st of October. And you can combine whatever you get on the wheel with what I had just previously said. So you can get a very big discount. So let's take a look. Let me get this out of its plastic. All right, I am back. Comes in a lovely embossed box. Very thick, very sturdy. Has instructions on the back on how to start, how to work on it, how to use the wax, how to pick your colors, that kind of thing. It says, every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. Very beautiful, beautiful kits that I've seen on their site. I'm trying to get, yeah, this box though is extraordinary in itself, let me tell you. But it's very nicely done. When tiny sparks become masterpieces is what it says on the inside. And inside we have the canvas, a toolbox, and something else. Let me get rid of that box. Holy cow. There we go. Very well boxed. It says FeelookArt, when tiny sparks become masterpiece. And here's more instructions, how to organize your diamonds. And looking, you're not just putting, you're creating your own story. It says personal creation record, start date, completion date. So very nice. And even the paper is sparkly. I don't know that that's showing up or not. Let's take a look at the toolbox or toolkit. And it has an easy to open bag. Put that over there. And it's zip locked, so to speak. Nice thick bag. Let's see what's in here. We have baggies. And we have more baggies. So there's close to probably 50 bags there. Let me just pull things out here. There's a lot in that bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, and don't forget those. Well, now they're stuck. Okay, that is everything in the bag out of there. Does come with numbers that you can put on your containers. Up to 60 colors. It also comes with a pin. Oh, it screws off. I'm just going to leave that together for just a second. It does come with a set of very sharp, nice, pointy tweezers. They're nice and smooth. I like that. Comes with 2 boats. I like the kind with the funnel. These are my favorite kind of boats to have because they're just easy to deal with. You know, you'll see me every once in a while use the great big ones, but that's if I'm working on a great big area and I want to pour out a whole bunch of diamonds. So, yeah. It does come with a little wax container and 4 pats of wax. Let me just put those back in there. It's nice, and it just snaps closed. So we got that, and we got the baggies. And in this bag, it opens the same way. Very nice, very easy, especially if you have arthritis in your hands, like I do. I don't know, sometimes it flares, sometimes it doesn't. So, let's see what's in this little baggie. Lots of ends. Holy cow. Come out there, kids. And you can put them right back in there, and it does have a snap to close edge. Okay, we get a large pat of wax. Now this is one of the wheels, and I do not have a lot of experience with that, but this is very, I don't know. I don't think there's any other way, but this is very loose in here. So I don't know how you would get it. Yeah, it's going to fall right out if I turn it upside down. But the principle of the thing is you run it along the wax and you get wax in here. Then you roll it on the diamonds and it'll pick the diamonds up. Then you set it down on your canvas and roll the diamonds right off. So yeah, it's a nice thought, but I don't know if I'm doing something wrong because it won't go any other place than right here. So you'd have to have something to hold that in there. And I'm not seeing that particularly. We do have a regular end. We have the straightener. You have, I want to say a 6 placer, 6 to 7 place end. Now when they stick in there, do they, oh yeah, they're real tight. Yeah. So I don't know why that other one's not like that. You have a, 8 or 9 placer. There's no number on here to tell you how many it will pick up. I have used those, you know, in lieu of using this thing for like large backgrounds. And we have a 3 placer. And you have a bent single placer. I haven't had much luck using that one. I don't know if it's just the way I hold things, but yeah. But it does have, let's just put the single placer on there for right now. A very nice pin. It's kind of got a, I don't know, I want to say leather, but you know what I mean, leather feel to it. It's not slick, but it's very nice to hold in your hand. There's a place for your fingers right here. So no matter how you pick it up, it'll be just fine. So let's put all this back. Whoops, save that part. I wanted to put that in there. Put those in there. Put them are sharp tweezers, man. I thought Evertote was sharp. Man, those are real sharp. Beautiful blue wax. I don't think it's been a hot moment since I've used blue wax. Usually I get the red or the orange color that comes with it. I'm just going to set these stickers someplace over there. What I wanted to see, oh yeah, so if you put the straight one on or one of the the small placers, it will fit in this hole. So I don't think, you know, the 8 or 9 placer will fit there. Yeah, whoop. And it just turns very nice. I like that pen. Very nice. Let's take a look at the canvas. So it's sealed in plastic. Maybe we can figure this out. And what I liked about their diamond painting is that it's on that brushed canvas, soft like a felt, and it is poured glue. Oh my goodness, very nice. No bumps, no ridges. Now you might want to lay that down. Nice big key. Holy cow. Look how big that key is. They have one going down this side. We have 28 colors in this. And I'm going to put a picture right in here. I want to put a picture of what this looks like because I can get it there just a little bit by a little bit. But it's this adorable black cat. And he's got a hat, and he's got a pumpkin, and a bow around his neck. I just thought it was adorbs. And of course, on your key, it does give you the DMC colors, and the number, and the symbol. And this is a round, but they're very clear, very easy to see. Now, I might have to use my light pad for this, no joke, because this is all dark, but very nice. Very clear, very easy to see. So I'm really impressed with that. And very, very sticky. Nice, thick covering. Very nice. Yeah, I just thought it looked just like my cat. Looked like something she would do. So it's either a she or a he. How's that? Let's take a look at the drills. Now, before I start with the drills, it does have the product number right here. This EO1511S on the canvas. And it's called Halloween Cat Guardian. Design size is 40 by 50. Fabric size is 48 by 58. And that's centimeters. So very nice. They do have a team of over 40 designers at their store. So very nice. We have lots of 310 black is number 1. But look how shiny and sparkly they are. Oh my goodness. Have a beautiful blue. It's kind of a dark royal blue. This one's more of a blue-gray. Kind of a little brighter blue. Now let me just flip it over. They do have what number it is. And that 3, I know it's upside down, 3336, hopefully you can see that, is the DMC number. We have some tan, brown, kind of a medium brown, orange, and ooh, look at that color. That is 796. It is sparkly. It looks like cobalt. And let's see if I can, trying to get them so that everybody's going in the right direction. That's not 797, 798. Lots of blues. That is 803, which is almost a navy blue. Look at that blue. Isn't that gorgeous? It's kind of a medium cornflower blue. That has got to be 823. Nope, 820. I was close. And this one is 823, which which is a dark navy. So you have 2 bags of that. Ooh, look at that reddish. It's like more of a reddish orange. It's not a true, it looks orange in my view thing. Some brickish red. Kind of a dark orange, brick red. Bright orange. Brighter orange. Brown. About $9.39. Oh yeah, baby. I know $9.39. So it has 939, 823, and 310 black in it. So very nice. Sparkly, shiny. I don't see any debris. Gorgeous oranges. That is 3371. I don't even know that you can tell that that's a dark brown. And this beautiful blue, 3726. And we have 2 more over here. Very nice. Very nice. Let me put these away. All right, I am back. Just a gorgeous canvas. It's very nice, very soft. So if there were any wrinkles, you just undo this plastic and then lay it down smoothly. But I don't see anything that is going to be a problem. And then you would lay it out flat and put some heavy books on it, and everything should be just fine just because of the way that the canvas is made. It's very sturdy, very soft, very nice. And can't think of anything else that, now this was $49.95, and I think it's well worth it. Very nice toolkit that comes with it. Beautiful drills. They're nice. They're shiny. No debris. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning. Very, very nice. So do check them out. Thank you, FeelookArt, for sending me this gorgeous, gorgeous kit. And we are going to start this afternoon at 1 o'clock, so be there. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.